So now we're looking at future codes, looking at what are you passing on? Because in 100 years, you'll be the ancestors. And what are you transmitting? I mean, you're already somebody's ancestor. So this is the code that gives me chills a bit. Future codes are the potential you carry for generations to come because we do pass things on down to the seventh generation or down to the generation when somebody works things out. They're about what you'll pass forward. And in 100 years, you definitely will be the ancestors that we all talk about. So the choices that you make today and the patterns that you break or perpetuate and the healing that you do or avoid will echo through generations you'll never meet. How do you want to be remembered as an ancestor? Future codes are being written right now by how you live your life. And the chances are you've never really stopped to think about this. You've never stopped to consider, is this what I really want to pass on? So it's not about looking and finding fault with yourself. It's just looking at patterns that you repeat that you've never really, you have always thought, oh, well, that's just how I am. But look and see, no, it can be a transgenerational thing that's coming down generations to you. And if you don't stop and look at it, you'll pass it on to the next generations. So when you heal a frozen code, you're not just healing yourself, you're unburdening your descendants from carrying what you carried. And so in the next video, we'll look at why willpower doesn't work. See you in the next video. Bye for now.